Hello everybody, Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we finished up our production of zinc, where we took the zinc and we've turned it into ingots, and we are then taking the ingots and turning them into plate. So that's good. We're going to be primarily just using the zinc ingots for most things. We are going to need a small amount of plate, so we wanted to go ahead and get the plate production going. And then we started work on tin, and we were able to get this tin processing set up and get the tin ingots producing. And now we need to get a couple of other tin products built, primarily tin plate and tinned wire coils. So that is what we're going to be working on today. And if we get that done, and we still have some time, then we'll go ahead and get started on bronze, brass, and gunmetal, and get all that taken care of. So let's get to it. So I set up these little lines here for plate. Plate is going to be using induction furnaces and casting machines. I figure I'll be able to make 18 plate per second from ingots. We're not going to be using a ton of tin plate, I don't think. So that should be fine. Hopefully. We're going to be making 24 per second of wire coils, which is going to require us to pipe over some molten copper for that project. And we're going to need coolant for this as well, so we need to hook that up to the coolant system. So, I'm going to go ahead and work on that. I got these casting machines and the induction furnaces made for this. I don't think I've gotten everything done for this yet. I need 9 of those casting machines and 3 more induction furnaces. So I need 1, 2, 3 more of those induction furnaces. I have 3 casting machines, so I need 6 more of those. Alright. Let all that manufacture. Throw down some lights. Alright, and so our casting for plate is going to be pretty much the same as this. So I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is just blueprint this whole thing, because it's pretty much the exact same process as this. Now we don't need that, or any of that. We don't need this. And I'm going to get rid of that loader, because I don't know exactly where I'm going to put this just yet. So I may keep it up here. Actually, that's probably a good idea. Let's go ahead and drop it in. We need a tank. We're going to need a pump. We're going to need some more substations. Though this substation is probably redundant. Yeah, that should cover everything. And then the rest of the construction bots to get that all done. We need to convert these over to tin. So you're going to be doing tin plate. There we go. Okay, and then for the coils, we need what? We need 4 induction furnaces. We need 4 induction furnaces? Yeah, we only make 210. Okay. To feed 3 of the strand casting machines. Okay. This is going to have to be a one-off production. Let's see. How do I'm probably going to do this horizontal here. See, that's coming out. We need to make sure we leave room for that. But we should be able to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making molten tin. Oh, that's the wrong way. There we go. We need another tank and pump. Hook all our pipes up. And where did my pump go? There it is. Okay. And then, over here, we're going to have the 3 strand casting machines. So we're going to have the tin. One, 2, 3, I think. And then we're going to be doing tinned wire coil. Did I leave myself enough room? I think so. Yes, I did. Just enough. Now we're going to figure out where I'm going to get this molten copper from. Alright. Where's our copper? I think the copper is like the first thing we did, right? So it's way up here. Let's see how far I can just go on the same line. And then once we get to the copper, there it is. Well, that's actually quite convenient, because I'll put in a pump, and we can pump the copper out of there. And then bring the pipe on through. So that should get our copper down here where we need it. Perfect. Though we're not getting any tin, well, obviously because we don't have... Oh, that didn't connect? There, now we have power. Now we have molten tin. Alright, looks like the tin plate's all hooked up. Alright, that's starting to fill in. Good. Alright, now for the coolant. Where are the coolant lines? Alright, so here is the closest place it's using coolant. And so those lines come out to... out to there. I kind of did mess it up a little bit. That should be alright. Alright, let's see. We're going to bring the coolant through here, I think. So right about there. And then this will be the spent coolant line. Which we'll want lined up for that. Okay, so this is fresh. This is spent. Perfect. And then... oh, that doesn't actually work, does it? No, it does not. And we don't really get a good good place to put in a loader, so we're going to have to use inserters. Pick up, and pick up. And you offset to the near side of a belt. And there we go. So that is ready to go once we are ready to load that onto a train. Alright, perfect. So we can go ahead and get rid of these. Alright, so now we need to work on the alloys. I think we'll do that over in this area, but we're going to need to clear some trees. So we'll get to that. Alright, so let's clear these trees. And I'm also going to want a roboport out here. And there's where the roboport's going to be. All right. All right. That's way too much wood. Okay, so we will let the primary construction bots take care of that. And let's start with bronze. Let's pin that up. Let's see, what do we need? We need 3 induction furnaces and 20 casting machines. I think we'll actually make 21 of them. Because then that makes a better ratio of 3. And I'll make a little extra. Let's see, if I compute by factory and I say 21, it's still 3 and we make 42. Works perfect. Alright, good. So, let's get that manufacturing. We need 1, 2, 3 induction furnaces, and we're going to need a whole bunch of those casting machines. Alright. Now, we're going to need tin, zinc, and copper. All right. So we're actually going to need 3 dedicated copper lines coming in. Actually, do I need 3? This is going to be 21... 20 and 3. So that is 24, no, 44 per second of copper ingot. Three, 23, 44. A purple belt has a throughput of 53 per second. So we actually only need a single single belt of copper ingots coming down here for that. There's the ingots. Okay, so let's put the fuel blocks underground. All right, where are we gonna bring this? Let's see. Alright, I think we'll just bring it straight down on this line for now. That didn't hook in. There we go. Let's get rid of those ingots we just picked up. Alright. Ah, that actually fits right through there perfectly. Though I don't, so. Okay, and then we're going to be coming out here, and then we're going to be proceeding in this direction to bring the ingots out to here-ish. All right. Now let me see about the other things. This is going to be 14. This is going to be 7, so that brings us up to 21. And then 1. So we can do one line of tin. And then for zinc, we're going to have 7 plus 14, again 21, plus 2, 23. So again, that would work on a single belt. Alright, so what I think we'll actually do here is how many... We did 3 induction furnaces, right? Yes. 3 induction furnaces. This is going to need another 3 induction furnaces, and then this is going to need 1. So we need 4 more induction furnaces. Which I need a lot more steel. Oh well, I can make that. We can get started anyway. So... let's get ourselves a line of zinc. Actually, probably would have been a better idea to line it up through here. And then our tin ingots. We're going to bring them through here. All right. So, where are we going to do this? I think we actually need to bring this down a little bit more. Yeah, let's back this up to here. Let's get rid of those ingots we just picked up. Can I make any more of the induction furnaces? No. Alright, so we're going to have a line of induction furnaces here. So let's make sure that we're going to have enough room. To do this. 1, 2, 3. And you guys are going to be making molten bronze 3. We'll set this up for our inserters to grab the stuff. There we are. So there's tin. Zinc and copper. Now I'm wondering if I shouldn't actually create splitters for this. It might be a good idea. Make sure that everybody's getting fed rather than putting these in line. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get these guys in a tank. And then 3 more induction furnaces. Yeah, I think a splitter might be a good idea. Splitter. And let's do a temp blueprint. Alright, then you guys are going to be making brass 2, right? Brass 2, yes. Alright, so we're going to split this off. We're going to put it on the ground for a bit. Get some power going. And then we will split you. And then the copper. Will come through there. And then we can belt it through there. Perfect. And then for the gunmetal, we're only going to need a single induction furnace. So I'll just put it online with these guys. You're making molten gunmetal. Let's trash that for a second. We don't need it. Let's blueprint you. Put that there. And then for here, we'll go ahead and extend these belts. Alright, so there we are. Bronze, brass, and gunmetal. Then we just need to set up the casting machines to turn that all into plate. But we'll go ahead and take care of that next episode. So for now, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.